Hello student, today we will learn how to create my first servlet program, and then we will learn how to run it, and after that we will try to display the output on client machine, on web browser, and as well as in the machine where the server is running. So let us start with this. So what I'll do, I will create my first my project first. So I'll go to new. I have just clicked on the explorer. Click on explorer, go to new, go to here you can see dynamic project. If it is not there, you can just go to project and type out here dynamic project, and here give some name to this project. I'll give webproj1. I'll give webproj1. It is already existing, so I'll have to give something else. Let us give webproj2, and then once I have given this, then explore, zoom it, and then you can say here next, and then you can press again next, and then here you need not to generate this web XML, because we are using the version above than 3.0 of servlet, so need not to mark it here. So just finish it, leave everything. So now once you have created your web project 2, click on this, and in the web project 2 create one package. So here I'll go to package, and I'll write its name web package 2, and then finish it. Once you have created your package, now after this you can create a servlet on it. So go to servlet, and here you can give a name to this web servlet 2, and then you can press next, and here I don't want to do anything. Go with the do get only, because I want to make this very simple. So just finish it. Once you have finished it, remove everything. We don't need. Remove this, and here take care of this, because we are using annotation web servlet. That means we don't require any XML file, so it will automatically configuring my servlet. So here come down, and need not to use all these things. Remove this. Now you are inside your doget. Doget is one of the HTTP method. So here we will do some little programming in this. So first of all, I would like to create a response dot I will set my set content type to the client. So first of all, I'll just show you on the server. So I would like to write here system out dot print line, means this is my first servlet. This is my first servlet. This is my first servlet, and I'll run it. And just when I'll run it, you can see the output. So just save it please, and try to run it. Run on server. So say this is selected, say next, and here your web project 2, and finish it. Web servlet at web pros 2, nothing has been no message has been sent to client machine. Now let us go back. In the in the server machine itself, where the server is installed, Apache Tomcat is installed, you have got a message, this is my first servlet, but this is for server only. Now if you want to tell this is running, that for that you need to tell it to your client machine. So when you want to tell it to your client machine, you will have to set your content for your web browser. So for that one, what you will do, you just type out response, and here set your content type. Set content type your HTML or content type as text and HTML. Now whatsoever will output will be coming here, this will be sent to your web browser client machine. So here what I'll have to use a print writer class to create its object, and then I will be creating with the help of get writer method. So I have done this, and now this class is not available here, so you need to import it. So import it from Java IO. Now it has been done. Now after this, whatsoever you want to send, whatsoever, so I'll write println, and now I want to send this output to my web browser. So I'll use HTML tag. I'll write here, this is my first servlet. This you are telling to your and servlet, this is my first servlet and running. So here I have done this, and I need to close it as well. So now my output is being sent to both the this one is for the server and this is for the client machine. So when I'll run it, just save it and just try to run it. You will get output on the server machine now. So what you can run it as client machine now. So run it, run on server, and next, and you can use web browser 2 and finish it. Now restart your server. So it is trying to restart it and setting everything all right. So you have got the message. So this is message is coming directly from the servlet. So here you are using a single servlet program to your client, that the servlet is started, the program is is there, and it's running, your servlet is running as well. Both the things you are telling, because here both the things means you are using this for the server, and that is this one has been used for the client machine. So this way you can convey, in this case you will have to keep in mind, you are not running this program from your project, so other files are not coming, because single servlet, how to run a single servlet, this also you with this you can check it out. So running a single servlet is also very important, because here you are not using any index files, not using any web folder, anything. So just running a single servlet is also very important. So in this you are thing as well. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.